Hey birdies, hi, welcome back to Kamar Reaction. Hey. So guys, I'm back again with another reaction video to CNCO. Hopefully this video won't get blocked because this would be CNCO most memorable MTV moments. And I do know how MTV act like sometimes they want to block videos, but I don't got time for that today, okay?
Different countries, but when they come together, they make one supremely dope sound. For the first time on the VMA stage, debuting their brand new single, Beso, make some noise for CNCO!
That was my first time watching them.
Yeah, let's do it. Let's kill it. I'm Joel. I'm 20 years old. I'm Mexican American and I am single.
My name is Christopher Velez. I'm from Ecuador. I'm 23 years old now and I'm single as well.
I'm Sabdiel. I'm from Puerto Rico. I'm 21 years old and I'm single as well.
What's up, everybody? I'm Eric. I am 18 years old. I am from Cuba, born in Havana, and I'm single.
So I'm Dominican, born in New York, and I am 22. I am Richard Camacho, Richard Yashel Camacho, and yeah, and I am single. So just in case, ready to mingle, you know.
We are
Such a bad boy. I'm here for it, Richard. Those New Yorkers.
For me, the first instrument that I learned was, I don't know how to say in English, but in Spanish is mandolina. So that was my first instrument, and then it was the bass, the guitar, and then
the violin, then piano,
drum, then trumpet,
Which is so true, because the same thing happened to me when I first had moved to America, because the school I went to back home was a private school in Jamaica, and they did teach us to play a little bit of instrument. I used to know how to play the flute, the clarinet, and piano. What happened to that? I don't know. Went straight to the door.
That one of the first time that I performed, like, in front of a lot of people, it was in the pep rally. So I sing there one song that I make. I was super nervous, but for the girls was, you know, so it was cool.
I think we all grew up listening to different type of music, especially since we're all from different places. Me, I grew up in California, so I listened to like all that mainstream type of stuff, like Justin Timberlake, Bruno Mars, as a kid. I still listen to them. Taylor Swift, Katy Perry, all those type of artists. So I think that kind of influences what I sing now and how I sing now. For me, when I was a kid, I grew up with Latin music. So I listen a lot to Daddy Yankee, Wisin y Yandel, you know, Don Omar. But also I like a lot the pop. And sang Jackson 5, Backstreet Boys. We actually we went to the Backstreet Boys concert in Vegas. It was cool to see, like, you know, the OGs do it. The dancing energy, how they take those little spots that are awkward on stage and create it into an energetic moment, into like interacting with the crowd, you know. So those
period, performers, period, yes.
And put them into our
yes, Richard, yes. I want to go to an MTV. How can I sign up to be like one of those seat fillers or something to MTV? I want to go. I want to sit there and be like, guys, they lied to you guys. Some of these performers was whack. I want to go. I need to find out how to go after the coronavirus, of course. Because I'm not trying to get no one to get me some sick like these other heifers out here.
HoneyBook is the one-stop
Damn
shop.
commercials.
I've been using them.
Sir, I don't care. I don't want to buy your book.
The hub.
Ugh.
Congratulations are in order. Not only are you the MTV Push artist for the month of June, you're the first Latin artist.
Yes, come on, diversity.
Is there an added responsibility, a sense of pride, knowing that you're the first Latin artist to receive that honor?
Yeah, it's something to carry on, you know. It's something to be careful with.
It's a blessing too.
Yeah, it's a blessing. But we gotta, you know, it just puts us on a level. We gotta represent our countries, you know. We gotta spread our culture, you know, and
represent.
Just keep doing great music. That's super important.
Right. But what is
I
next
love
on
those
the bucket list?
tattoos.
We're in the studio all of May recording our next
Hot.
album that's going to be coming out soon, so you guys have to be tuned in for that.
Oh,
There's a whole
Joe.
bunch of new type of
I
tracks,
think he
new
just
type of
recently
sounds.
cut his
So it's gonna be something
beard
that I
off
think a lot of
again.
you will like.
Okay, so tell us about the brand new single, Deseto.
It's actually a song that we actually work with some producers on our other songs like Bonita, No Me Sueltes. So it's something that we already kind of feel it like belongs to us, that type of sound. So it feels super special to be working with them again. It has a little bit of English in it too. So
We have the ukulele. Could you get a little bit of a CNCO hit on that thing?
Of course.
Only love you in the middle of the night. That's when you're on my mind. Every time I get the feeling I can't fight. And I know I just ain't right. Algo de perderte otra vez. Ahora que se hacen dentro de mi piel. No sé qué puedo hacer si estás con él. But for now I just pretend.
What's up, bro?
Child, y'all better not take me back to my childhood.
Thank you very much.
I like it.
I'm learning how to say
Too close. Oh, this was pretty close. Never mind.
Do you mind if I bring some friends in? We do a little interview.
No, too much people in there. All close to my man. I mean, Zabdiel and the boys.
The new album, guys. Congratulations.
Ooh, I need to stop
Let me get
drinking.
this right. ¿Qué quienes somos? Pretty good. But I actually love the title because it translates to who we are, and that's kind of what it feels like, right? It feels like a reintroduction of sorts. What are you guys trying to say on this album?
So we wrote like about maybe over 20 songs, and we just chose 7 to, you know, kind of like a.
Oh, I really love the red hair color
You
on
guys coming
him.
in? Anybody going down? It's all good.
Yeah, you can come
You guys
in.
working here? Yeah. Oh, bummer. You guys are such great songwriters, and you're all Latino, but you come from different countries that have different dialects. So how do you incorporate everything into songwriting? How does that affect the songwriting craft?
It's really cool because we have kind of a different mindset of writing. We read differently. I guess you could say that way. Like, just the way of speaking is different in each country, and the way of expressing yourself. So I guess just putting that all together makes our songs completely different.
And also our different
Yes, it really does. It really does. Yes, Joel. Yes. These damn commercials. Ugh. I'm so tired of YouTube. I'm gonna start downloading these videos, record these videos, and edit them out. Why she gotta go to him first? Girl, move.
Some quick hugs, and then we'll.
That is a lot of people up in there.
Sorry about that. Let's go. Let's go. We gotta go. That's it.
Who's the ladies' man? Who's the flirt?
Ladies, the flirt.
Yeah,
can I say?
There's a full package.
Full package.
Do you have any tips for, if you're trying to pick up a nice girl?
There's no tips, bro.
Going up? Come on.
You can come.
Make my persuasion.
Is
Así
TRL
estos puntos no me
after?
quedan ahorita.
Yeah, it's okay.
We love you in the middle of the night. That's when you're on my mind. Every time I get the feeling I can't fight. And I know it just ain't right. Algo de perderte otra vez. Ahora que estás tan
Lost me there that time.
No sé qué puedo hacer si estás con él. But for now we
Just pretend. Da, 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 eh. Da, 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 da. See, I know a song. You really think I don't listen to this group? Hey.
Oh my god!
Hey guys, what's up? We are CNCO, and you're watching MTV Unplugged, and we want to sing a song for you guys. This song is called Desero. We hope that you enjoy it a lot.
Oh, he looks so good in pink.
Niña, tanto tiempo.
His facial expression kills me.
¿Qué es tu vida? Dicen que estás sufriendo. Creo que tengo una salida. Yeah. Cuando dejemos el orgullo y las barreras entre tú y yo y soltamos lo malo.
Joel really looks good. I don't know why people think, I be making these minor jokes with his hair. They think I'm coming for him. This boy is very fucking attractive, okay? Get out your feelings.
Otro chance nos damos los dos. Mejor dejemos de estupidez. Que el amor llega solo una vez.
Oh, Richard.
Otro chance nos damos tú y yo. Mejor dejemos de
Where you at? That is not Florida.
solo una vez.
just found out yesterday that we have to fly a day early to Miami. So now we have
And who are you?
rehearsals instead of 4 rehearsals in Miami to pull this performance together. So,
Who are you?
we are in the studio. We finished prepping the choreography. We're all set. We're just waiting for the boys.
Oh, you're the choreo. Okay.
You guys are going to do the first chorus facing that way. So the camera's filming this way. Let's go ahead and start learning the choreography for the chorus.
We had 2 rehearsals in Miami and they were amazing. And we made like a lot of changes. We choreographed some of the stuff on the spot for the verses and the pre-choruses.
I just need it to be like super locked in. Like, oh, it's so good when you get it. Here we go.
I'm super impressed with how fast CNCO picked up the choreography.
Well, they are dancers, you know.
Just finished rehearsal.
Once you are a dancer or you're a singer, it is your talent and your ability to grasp what's given to you. So I'm hoping.
Buddha Premium Hard Seltzer. That's different. I mean, if Funky Buddha could funk magin.
Okay, we just landed in New York.
New York. Oh, I can't wait to go visit New York. Maybe I should do my vlog visit when I go to New York.
See the props, see the set pieces. We basically have to tailor the whole performance to the space the first time we see it.
Apparently, with the pyro, we just found out that it's a wireless connection and it wasn't working. So we have to stop down for the night. Unfortunately, we're not going to get to test pyro, so we're just fingers crossed that it works tomorrow.
Now the guys in this next group rep 5 different countries, but when they come together, they make one supremely dope sound. For the first time on the VMA stage, debuting their brand new
Let me put this right here because I don't want them to come block my video. Yes, Beso, yes.
Y ya ves, otra vez diciendo no mentir y que esto no conviene. Una vaina cuando estamos lejos, pero en vivo es diferente.
What was the year? Was it Toyota or was it Jeep?
Si te caneo de la cabeza, le piensa hay un plan.
Ooh, my man, Zabdiel's on.
Es ahí donde la vida es sin goce,
Is this Toyota? Yeah, it's Toyota. I'm not trying to have them block my videos.
Vamos a darle eso, 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 que pa' eso se hicieron las bocas. Te decíamos esta no se toca.
Ooh, as you guys can see, that was CNCO's most memorable MTV moments. I really do appreciate going through that journey with this group. I'm so excited that last year was the first time they ever basically performed live on stage. Yay. So we all get to see them, and also they performed their song Beso, which I really do like. So good job CNCO, and I really do like the album Deja Vu. I can't wait for them to release the project that they wanted to release before this corona happened. So hopefully they'll give me the same energy as they give to me in this project of the Deja Vu album, because that album is everything. As always, I want to say thank you guys so much. For everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section, and I will get to it as soon as possible. As always, we can do you besides. I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.